Ladies and gentlemen, karibu na inde ime ya Gusii TV. Tuendelee kukuletea mambo vile iko. Ladies and gentlemen, Simba Arati is lining himself with Fred Okengo Matiang'i's camp. Why should Simba do that? Briefly, Simba Arati is the deputy party leader of Orange Democratic Movement, ODM, one of the largest parties in Kenya. That means after Raila Odinga, it is Simba Arati.
The party leader ya ODM. Na tebrenga ki tinko nyara wansa kurama oyo Ruto kinde serikali ya broad based. Ente getembo boli munganche. Ebinde bya chiro bogere na biru na intubire taralia gusiga mo wancha boy. Eni ma etento bwata li tumuli totokonya gotieri. Dikorkunaki Matiang'I.
But why should Simba Arati make that unexpected move? Anyway, it was expected anyway. For Simba Arati to remain relevant, politically speaking, he had to make that decision. Before I tell you the reason why Simba Arati had to make a U-turn, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to request you to stay in this video till the end. Kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you are notified every time we post any video. And in this particular video, ladies and gentlemen, give me a like. Now, thank you. Simba Arati is the governor of Kisii County. Simba Arati was challenged to choose between to be pro-people and to serve William Ruto to be the government side. Simba Arati has been calculating between this and this. Yes, ODM is one of the biggest and oldest party in Kenya. Deputy party leader. But is he going to serve him well beyond 2027 or 2032? Na niliwaambia the entrance of Fred Okengo Matiang'i form has changed everything in Kisii and Nyamira in Gusii region. Anybody who is not going to align himself with Fred Okengo Matiang'i is doomed to fail completely, especially from Kisii and the Nyamira County. Simba Arati of late has been trying to be neutral. He has been trying to appease the government side, Raila Odinga side. Of course, you can understand, he's an ODM guy. Simba Arati has been trying also not to annoy the other side, not to provoke the other side, Fred Okengo Matiang'i's camp.
Na wangwana wali bande bana weta nanza hanga tewe antu gore kama ndundo tai to kama ngombe ndundo tete no soke roke ligani ozo na mota ite echo me mota to kama wazine gazi mota ite echo mota to kama wazine gazi mota ite pale bas.
So Simba Arati has been at the crossroad. He has been at a dilemma. He has been at a loose end. Alikuwa ameshindwa, nitaenda namna gani, nitakwenda vipi, nikimake this a move, nitakuwa nimemake a very wrong calculation. Simba Arati is also keen for his re-election. But how is he going to be re-elected? Wacha nikwambie, like I told you earlier, there's no way Simba Arati is going to defend his seat in Kisii County if he is going to be against one Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Neither is he going to defend his seat in Kisii County if is going to be neutral. Where wananchi siku hizi wamechanuka. If you are perceived to be neutral, you are not here, neither here. You are perceived to be a coward. Wananchi wanakuteki kama muoga. Yeah, the signals you are sending outside there is that yo, I'm a coward. Nikimeki hii side maze nitanoi wale wengine. Nikistand from this side nitanoi wale wengine. So Wakenya saizi, majority of parties, especially now tukiongelelea let's narrow to Kisii counties, Kisii and Nyamira, you are not going to win anything if you are at the fence, if you are sitting on the fence. you should take a stand. So Simba Arati has to choose a stand, and he should appear to be speaking for that chance. If he's pro Fred Okengo Matiang'i, if he's supporting Fred Okengo Matiang'i, he should be seen attacking the attacker of William Samoei Ruto. But he can't attack while he is inside, while he is eating from inside. He is also keen not to provoke the attacker because they are the majority. Wao ndio kusema kule kwa ground. So Simba Arati, I understand him. I hope you also do. Simba Arati ni mtu ako at the crossroad, ako at the loose end, so he had to make that bold choice. Suppose Simba Paul Arati was to remain in the ODM side. ODM saizi inamsupport wa kiongozi William Samoei Ruto. Raila's camp is supporting the re-election of William Samoei Ruto in 2027. So Simba Arati being there, though he has been saying that ntobwate ritimo iko kwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i ngatigatora kama ng'ombe. My friend, people wanachukulia hizi vitu small things. These small things ndio wanachukulia na wanachukulia they take them very serious. So if you are trying like hii mguu moja iko hapa kwa government, mguu mwingine iko hapa kwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i, then unaonekana kama mtu unayumba, ni mtu ambaye una mwelekeo, ni mtu una msimamo, then you cannot be trusted. You are like you don't know what you are doing. To be bold, you must be perceived to be bold, to be campaigning strictly, kukaa kwa ground kabisa kukampeni for Fred Okengo Matiang'i, ama kukaa kwa ground kabisa kukampeni for William Samoei Ruto. Si eti sasa unajua huyu ndio president, lazima sasa ndio ako na serikali, lazima tukae na yeye. Hapana, ati sasa na huyu ni wetu, huyu ni mtu wetu pia, lazima tumsupport. It doesn't work like that way. Mtu kama Osoro akilose, watu wanajua at least ako na msimamo, ako kwa government side. That guy has never been at Fred Okengo Matiang'i side. He knows. Si eti ajui, anajua ground iko wapi, but he's trying to appeal kama watu wa South Mugrango. Na kusema ukweli, jamaa amefanya maendeleo. The guy is doing a lot in that constituency. So kama watu wa South Mugrango watamsikiza vile ameappeal, if the people of South Mugrango watamsikiza, wamuelect, good. But the guy is pro William Samoei Ruto. The guy has made his stand very clear that is not with Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Despite Fred Okengo Matiang'i kuwa brother yake mkubwa, is not in support for Fred Okengo Matiang'i. At least amesema kwamba mimi niko kwa government. This is the government. Nilishughulikia kabisa kufight for this government. Nasa mnataka nitoke? At least yeye amemake very clear. Hata akipoteza anaweza pewa kakito hapo kwa government. Maybe kama waziri ama other state jobs. Suppose Simba Arati ako neutral, angekuwa neutral venye ana try to project himself. Eti sasa ako neutral, is neither here nor here, is not trying to provoke this group, is neither trying to appear like he's supporting this other group. So suppose Simba Paul Arati is at the neutral, eti ako neutral kabisa, then na akikaa neutral venye mambo iko, ataonea ile kiti ya ugavana vyo sasa, akilose ugavana. Do you think William Samoei Ruto atamconsider for anything, like atamweka kama waziri? No, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. In fact, ata lose relevant better kama atachagua side ya William Samoei Ruto. Kama angechagua side ya William Samoei Ruto, akae hapo, afanye kampeni mchana usiku, ashindwe asishindwe, akue tu appear like he tried. He was fighting for William Samoei Ruto. Now miracle kiapen, William Samoei Ruto akue re-elected for his second term, na bahati mbaya Governor Simba Paul Arati apoteze ugavana wa Kisii County. Sasa hapo Ruto tu ataweza muita amwambie, boss, I saw you tried. Yeah, against all odds, we sacrifice your seat. Now this is your reward. You can't be rewarded where you sit eti sasa umekalia kwa fence, na najua is my senior in politics. I might not know much about it, but I think that is the best decision. Unachora unaangalia ground, unasoma ground vile iko, unaangalia, una calculate hesabu zako za 2027 zitakuwa vipi, nitasimama pande gani. Sasa hizi ground iko kwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Wanasema ama ninasemanga ya kwamba 2027 is far, a lot could change, but I don't think eti vitu mingi zitachange sana. This is the first time ODM is not going to be a dominant party from that region. For a decade now, ODM has been enjoying dominance, especially in Kisii and Nyamira. This is the first time that ODM itasikika kabisa in Gusii region. Munanisikia? Unajua 2022, yeah, Matiang'I was also in as a new side. In 2022, Simba Paul Arati, Governor ODM. Senator Richard Mumaima Onyonga, Senator ODM. Majority of members of parliament were from ODM. Majority of MCAs bado walikuwa wa ODM. My friend, in 2027, according to the mood of the crowd, I was there on the ground Kisii, na niliongea na watu wengi kabisa. Majority, in fact, 90%, tuseme kama kuna spoil, in fact 95% wako ndani ya Fred Okengo Matiang'i. That means majority ni vigumu sana ukiwa mtu wa ODM kukuwa elected in Kisii County. That is why the likes of Engoko, the likes of Mumaima Onyonga wako behind Fred Okengo Matiang'i. So Simba Arati, I think amesoma ground na amejua this is the best for him. That is according to the ground. Na my own advice, in case Simba Arati ameona ya kwamba decision amemeki si sawa, my fair and honest advice to one Simba Paul Arati, the ground is pro Fred Okengo Matiang'i. You have seen the ground especially in Kisii County, pia ama hata na Nyamira County. The ground iko kwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Watu wako kwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Hata ukae mzuri aje, hata ukae darling aje. In fact, that's why nakwambia Osoro amefanya maendeleo in South Mugrango, but it's going to be hard to be re-elected. Si eti afanyi kazi, but the ground kinasema ni Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Anybody who is going to appear like he is opposing one of their own, I'm not trying to be tribal, but anybody who is going to appear like an oppose Fred Okengo Matiang'i atafail, and that is the reality. So Simba Arati should read the crowd, and the best thing for Simba Arati right now to do is to join Fred Okengo Matiang'i's camp. I know it's going to be difficult to resign from one of the biggest party in Kenya, ODM, Orange Democratic Movement. You need to sacrifice that. Na kama ata sacrifice, then is doomed to fail and will cease to be relevant, politically speaking, even beyond 2027 or 2032. That is my honest advice to Simba Paul Arati. Being my senior, I know he knows what I'm talking about. He is aware of the implications of his action before 2027. Is very aware, and probably kuna vile amejipanga, lakini for him, because niliona ni mtu ambaye akicalculate vizuri, ni mtu ambaye political future yake inang'aa, ako na nyota kule mbele, so he need to make the right decision right now. What is going to decide right now will reflect what is going to achieve there, that future. I can see a bright future for Simba Arati in horizon, but tough choices have to be made. I rest my case, ladies and gentlemen. I could be wrong. If you have a divergent views, probably you may let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for the support you are showing to this channel. And in this particular video, ladies and gentlemen, I request unipe like and kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so that you are notified every time we post a new video. My name is Gusii Born. This is Gusii TV. Yomosi. See you in the next video.